so much softer than last time.
Yeah.
I'm just letting everybody by because I'm fucking slow.
That's fair. That's a weird corner though. Yeah. So much torque, dude. Yeah. Nice. Nice. That was clean.
Slow, but I'm getting cleaner. That's what I'm working on. It's just consistency.
Exactly.
Slower speed and then work it up from there.
Yep.
There we go.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm finding the bite point where I can start stepping it out here. Yeah, the minus 5 psi in the front's really helping me out a lot.
Okay.
Then I want to rotate and bite in here and try and get it not to wash out. You got to initiate really early on that one, otherwise it'll fuck it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you just wash off, it's off camber. And no...
This is the weirdest turn, man. Yeah, that was clean though.
in the front there. Temps are still looking pretty good here, so.
Yeah, you're taking it pretty easy. Slow is faster.
Yeah, exactly. For me, I just want to get consistency in the turns.
Yeah, that last one was smooth.
It wants to push so hard on that one.
Yeah.
And then you get out to the edge and you just lose all your traction. Just kind of getting a little faster.
Yeah.
But honestly, finding my limits is like, well, where I know what the car's going to do.
Yeah.
Like that right there, I can't step on it that early. Because it just wants to walk out.
It'll push. Yeah. Nice, nice. Plenty of room. Nice.
I have so much more traction when I'm off throttle. It's concerning.
That's a slippery corner.
Oh yeah. That one you can just womp on it whenever and it'll just go sideways.
Yeah.
I'm fighting a lot of understeer in most things, which is kind of surprising to me.
Yeah. Yeah, that's... I wonder if entering wide on this one is the move, like you just did.
Yeah. If I go too hard, soon into it.
Yeah.
If I get it to brake, it didn't want to brake. I'm going to pass this guy as predictably as I can through here. But it's all marbles on the end, so.
Yeah. Transfer it? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that just a little bit of off camber just does it.
There you go. Oh,
the guy behind me crashed when he follows someone. That's about it. I've got a little too much traction in that.
Well, that was good though.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one's alright because you got tons of space on the outside. Yeah.
off the outside, the front steer. The Herndon can either understeer or oversteer, pick one.
Yeah.
And you don't really get a lot of say in the matter. But I also don't understand in this whole car how it likes to rotate so well.
Yeah, it's a bit of a weird car, just being the shorter wheelbase and homemade tires.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Transferring.
Nice trying.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh no.
got out of it without touching anything. That's good.
Yeah. It's got a CVT, continuously variable traction.
RVC, randomly variable traction.
Good.
Yeah.
Like I gotta maintain my speed here, but not curve off too much with the decreasing radius right here.
Yeah, that's a weird one. Transfer it. Yes.
Oh, watch it out.
Pushing though, yeah. That's soft, dang.
Oh yeah, I have no traction on that.
Nice.
Yeah, I tried to set it up to rotate, but it's just hard without stomping on it and expecting it to go where you want it to.
Yeah.
Because the bumps just pass this car off.
That was pretty good though.
Yeah, I'm trying to get more consistent.
This corner wide. Yeah. Start wide.
Yeah, I got nothing right there. It feels like it's got a lot less traction all of a sudden for some reason.
Interesting.
Yeah, I don't know. It might just be because I'm getting more happy with the foot. Might be part of it.
Oh, that was good.
Ah, I tried.
That was good. That was good.
Flippy.
Yes, sir.
To get it to rotate here, but it's not. It's got too much traction, and then all of a sudden there is none.
Yeah.
You really got to stick to it to get it to commit.
You have to combine it with a weight transfer.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Swing it out, and then transfer. Oh, and then it's fucking loud.
Man, yeah, I'm trying to. I'm better than the last session, but not by much.
No, you're getting incrementally better. Yes, Scandinavian flick. That was good.
I'm trying here. I'm trying to get the location right. It's just tricky the way this is set up.
And then wide into this one. Start wide. Yeah.
The outside.
That's it.
Yeah, that's genius. Why didn't I think of that?
So I wonder if this car responds better to weight transfer than it does to throttle.
I think so, honestly.
Yeah, it's more of a front-wheel drive car.
It feels like it.
Yeah.
But when you're on the pipe, it's like rear-wheel drive.
Yeah.
When you're off of it, it's fucking front-wheel drive. It's confusing. Like that right there. I tried gunning it and it just washed out. Yeah, it's like,
It really acts like a front-wheel drive car. It's weird.
Yeah, that's confusing.
Yeah.
It's all good at. That was a fun fucking 30 minutes, though.
What's that?
A fun fucking 30 minutes, though, that's for sure.
Yeah. Now, you were getting, like, incrementally better every single time, and consistently, too. That was good.
I found where my comfort was at first.
Uh-huh.
And I just kind of, like, started eking it out further and further.
Yeah.
But, man, this is a learning curve, my guy.
And I think this is maybe not the easiest car to start with because it's a shorter wheel.